Spaghetti is my favorite. Oh. So it's homemade? Homemade spaghetti? Happy Friday, then Sad family, mega love shout out. This is the one you mix, no? Ground meat. Yeah, I make it myself. Yeah, that is homemade. We call it homemade spaghetti. Yeah, I like homemade, no? Then we buy to McDonald's or whatever. It's much yummy, more than yummy than we going to buy from others.